Hello everyone, welcome to Elite Engineer. In this video, we are going to see how we can install the GAMS for your work, which will be used for optimization objectives. Basically, we are going to explore the optimization in the future. For that, you need the GAMS, and you do not require any license for using the GAMS, right? So you have to just go to Google and type GAMS download, and this link will pop up. You just click it, and it will open the website of gams.com/download. If by any chance you're just typing the GAMS and this website will open, so you need to go here to the download and you just need to select it GAMS, and then this window will pop up where you will have the options to download from Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and this is also Mac OS. So basically, if you're using the Mac systems, you would have an Intel chips or you would have an M1 M2 chips. According to that, you can just download your version of GAMS software. In the upcoming videos, we're going to explore the MATLAB version also if the time permits. But for this part of optimization algorithm and optimization objective, we're going to explore the GAMS, which will be used for optimization to almost all the objectives, all the examples which we have seen in the previous videos. So this will provide you the demo version, and I think demo version would be helpful for you to carry out your day-to-day tasks for optimization if it is required, right? Like I'm using the Windows version, so I'll just click here to the download button, and you just click here download, and it will start downloading, right? Window 64 bits. So accordingly, you can download this version, and if it is downloaded, you just need to click next, and yes. After the step will come where it will ask you to download the GAMS Studio or GAMS ID. In my case, I'll just explore you with the GAMS ID because I find it much more simpler and useful. But you can just explore the GAMS Studio also. That's a new version. I'll just show you GAMS ID and GAMS Studio. Actually, in this system, I do not have the license version. So actually, this warning will pop up when you will open the GAMS ID. You just need to click OK, and this GAMS ID will open. So in this system, I don't have the license version. This is also not supporting the demo version. There's some issue in that. So I'll just share one of my screen of another system where I'll just show you about the GAMS which I have already downloaded. So I'll just search a GAMS. There's a GAMS Studio and the GAMS ID. I've downloaded both for your confirmation, like if you download anything for your optimization objectives. So this screen will pop up. Now I'll just show you that I already have the license version, but see, these are solvers. That is a license version. That's why this is coming full. But when you will download, you will see that there's a demo version. Demo would be written here, and there are some version that wouldn't be feasible. And because when you try to complicate your systems of objectives and there's an excess of data or constants, so we will have to purchase the GAMS full version to solve, because these are all the solvers which are available and they have some limitations, right? So whichever objectives we are going to deal with GAMS version in this, that will be possible with the demo versions also, and I'll show you with my demo version only. And this is just for reference that I'm showing you that with the full versions you can have the different types of solvers that will provide you with the opportunity to explore the optimization in much more detail, right? So I'll just click here OK, and yeah, you can just explore the utilities, model libraries. So one of the best thing about the GAMS is that it already provide me the basic optimization formulations. So if I want to explore that, the practical financial optimizations, nonlinear optimizations, and power system optimization already available. See, this is a power system optimization. There is a huge number of examples that is available that you can explore. So this is one of the best thing about the GAMS I liked. So different types of GAMS, different types of examples are available, but we are going to explore the different examples that is not available in the GAMS. Okay, because this thing you can already explore in the GAMS, but what if they are not available to the GAMS? So that thing we will see during the upcoming part of our lecture series. Thank you for being there in the lecture number 2. I hope to see you in the next videos.